In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save project in Picsart. If you have been editing in Picsart and you want to keep your work, saving it correctly is the key. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the export process, which is the usual way to save your finished project as an image file on your computer. To begin, open your project in Picsart and make sure your edits are exactly how you want them. Take a moment to check your colors, your text, and any effects you added. This matters because once you export, you will be saving what you see at that moment. When you are ready, click Export. You will typically find this option in the top right corner of the screen. Look at the upper area of the interface, and you should see the Export button clearly. Clicking it will open the Export Options panel, where you can choose how you want your file to be saved. Next, after you click Export, you will see a drop-down menu for downloading. Now click Download from that drop-down menu. This step is important because it tells Picsart which download action you want to perform. As soon as you click Download, the app will switch from simply showing export settings to preparing the actual file. If you are working on a project with multiple layers or effects, this is the point where your design is prepared in the format you select. Now that you have opened the download options, the next step is choosing your file format. From the format choices, select the one you want, for example JPEG or PNG. This is where you control the type of file you are saving. JPEG is commonly used for smaller file sizes and photos, while PNG is often preferred when you need sharper edges, transparency, or a more lossless result. Spend a moment here to think about where you plan to use the image. If you are going to share it quickly or upload it somewhere with size limits, JPEG RAW may work well. If you want higher quality details, especially for graphics, PNG can be the better choice. After selecting your format, you are almost finished. The download panel also allows you to confirm that your settings look correct. Make sure the selected format is shown clearly and ensure that nothing unexpected has changed. This quick check helps you avoid exporting the wrong type of file and having to redo the process. Finally, when everything looks right, click Download at the bottom of the layout panel to save it to your computer. This is the action that actually creates the final exported file. After you click Download, give your device a moment to process it. You may notice a progress indicator depending on your system. Once it finishes, the file will be saved to your computer based on your browser or device download settings. To make sure everything worked, you can then navigate to the location where downloads are saved on your computer. Look for the file name and the format you selected earlier, such as JPEG or PNG. Opening the file briefly is a good way to confirm that your image appears the way you expected, and that the export settings were applied correctly. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know about how to save your project in Picsart.